Hello, you are welcome to Ciquence Maths. Today we have this mathematical problem that we want to solve. We have 2 exponents m plus 4 exponents m plus 8 exponents m equal to 39. We want to find the value of m. Okay, so now follow us closely whilst we try to find the value of m. You can see that we can deduce the 4 exponent m and then the 8 exponent m as 2 square or exponent m and then 2 cube or exponent m. So this becomes 2m, 2 exponent m plus 2 exponent m square plus 2 exponent m cube or equal to 39. Good. So we let x represent 2 exponent m. Good. So we are going to substitute 2 exponent m by x. So wherever you see 2 exponent m, we replace it with x. So this becomes x plus x squared plus 3 plus x cube or equal to 39. So in this case, we try to send the 39 to the left side. And we can split the 39 into 3 plus 9 plus 27. So if you add it, you get 39. Okay. So we are up to something. So we have x plus x squared plus x cube minus 3 minus 9 minus 27. So we can see there's something common here. We have factors of 3. So let's see how we can manage our way to solve this. Okay, so we have 3 exponent 1 minus 3 exponent 2 minus 3 exponent 3. So we can see that some terms are of common exponent. So we have x minus 3 plus x square minus 3 square. So we group those the various terms with the same exponent. Okay, so equal to 0. Now you should note these identities. That's difference of 2 squares. If you have a square minus b square, is the same as a plus b times a minus b. That's difference of 2 squares. You should take note of that. Then number 2, that's x. If you have a cube minus b cube, we have it to be a minus b all into bracket and then times a square plus ab plus b square. So we should take note of these identities. So we apply these identities to our equation. Okay, so we have x minus 3 plus, then the difference of 2 squares, x plus 3 times x minus 3, okay, plus x minus 3 all times x squared plus 3x plus 9, that's 3 squared, which is 9, equal to 0. Good. So here you can see that x minus 3 is common, so we factor it out. If we factor it out, we have 1 plus x plus 3 plus x squared plus x squared plus 3x plus 9, all equal to 0. Good. So let's try and simplify the big brackets. So we have x minus 3. Simplifying the big bracket, we have x squared plus 4x plus 13. Good. All equal to 0. So what's next? We can see that multiplying two numbers, if you get if you get 0, it means either one of them is 0 or all of them are zeros. So we have x minus 3 equal to 0, or x squared plus 4x plus 13 equal to 0. So considering x minus 3 equal to 0, we can have x, or we will have x equal to 3. So that's the value for x1. Good. But we know that x is equal to 2 exponent m. So wherever we see x, we can put in 2 exponent m. So it becomes 2 exponent m equal to 3. So taking log on both sides to get the value of m, we take log on both sides. So log 2 exponent m equal to log 3. So with the properties of log, we can bring the m down to become m log 2 equal to log 3. Good. So to get m, we divide both sides by log 2. So we have the log 2 will cancel log 2, become m equal to log 3 divided by log 2. And with this one, we can write it as m equal to log 3 base 2. That's the value of m. Good. The value of m. Now let's consider the other part of our expression, that's x squared plus 4x plus 13 equal to 0. So if we compare it to the quadratic equation, so using the quadratic formula, we'll have a will be 1, which is the coefficient of x squared, and then b, the coefficient of x is 4, then the constant c is 13. So with the quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So with this becomes x equal to -4 plus or minus square root of 4 square minus 1 times 13, all divided by 2 times 1. Good. So we have x equal to -4 plus or minus 16 minus 52, all divided by 2. Good. So now we have x equal to -4 plus or minus -36. Okay. Or divided by 2. So here we have x is equal to -4 plus or minus 36i, root 36i. Okay. Or divided by 2. And this an imaginary value. So this value of x is an imaginary value. So we consider it rejected. Good. So we reject this one. Then we consider the value of x1, where m was equal to log 3 base 2 as our final answer. Good. Now let's verify. Let's try and verify and see whether the value is truly m equal to log 3 base 2. So the question is 2 exponent m plus 4 exponent m plus 8 exponent m, or equal to 39. Let's see. And we were to find the value of m, and here the value of m is log 3 base 2. So wherever we see m, we put in, or we substitute log 3 base 2. Okay. Plus 8 exponents log 3 base 2, or equal to 39. Good. So it is 2 exponent 2, or 2 square, or exponent log 3 base 2, and then plus 2 cube, or exponent log 3 base 2, equal to 39. So this, we have 2 exponent 2 log 3 base 2 plus 2 exponent 3 log 3 base 2, or equal to 39. Good. So we have 2 exponent log 3 base 2 plus log 2 exponent log 3 square base 2, then log 3 cube base 2, or equal to 39. So fast forward, you will get 2 log 3 base 2 plus 2 log 9 base 2, plus 2 exponent log 27 base 2 equal to 39. Good. So 3 cube will give us 27. So we should note, if we have a exponent log a log b base a is the same as b. Okay, so we should take note of this identity. So with this, when 2 is raised to a log of base 2, we have the value to be 3 plus 2 exponent log 9 base 2, it will be 9, and this one will be 27. So we can see, we want to know whether the right hand side value is the same as the left hand side value. So 3 plus 9 plus 27 will give us 39, which is the same as the right hand side. So left hand side is the same as right hand side. This means the value of m is truly, so therefore the value of m is truly log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So let's go through the values. You are welcome once again to Ciquence Math. Kindly subscribe to this channel and then click the notification bell, so that anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first person to watch. Thank you very much. We are much grateful.